Hi, my name's Doessel. I'm the founder and CEO of MyCRA Lawyers. We're the only specialist credit repair law firm in the entire country. And what are we doing here today? Well, today it's all about just getting you a copy of your credit files, so you can make sure there's nothing adverse on your credit file before you go for your mortgage, your car loan, or anything else. Nothing more embarrassing than telling your mortgage broker that you've got clean credit, only to find out that there's something on there you know nothing about. And unfortunately, that happens more often than not. Somebody thinks they've got clean credit, and it turns out they've got a telco default from that argument they had with the energy telco company, or, as I said, energy company. You might ring the energy company to say, hey, look, I'm moving to a new property, put the power on at the new address on this date, disconnect the power at the current address a week later, so we've got the whole changeover time to clean up and everything else, and we're all good. So you've told them the new address, you've told them when you're moving, you've told them when to disconnect, but they send the final bill to the old address. I know it's crazy, but they do it. And what happens is, of course, the new tenants get that bill. It's not in their name, they throw it in the bin, and all of a sudden you can't be found, you can't pay that final bill. Yes, I know logic says they should send it to the new address. Yes, that's logical, but we're not talking logic, we're talking credit reporting. What happens, of course, is they default you. Now, you don't want to find that out on your credit file after you've made your application. You want to find out beforehand, so you can either get it fixed or at least tell the broker about it beforehand. So we've got this really simple system. Fill in your details. We'll send you out our ultimate guide to free credit reports. You will see all the details on there exactly as you need it. You'll have the exact address to go to actually go and apply for your free credit files. You'll have those within about 10 days, and then you can take whatever action you need. If you get stuck and you don't know how to read those credit files, send them through to us once you've got them, and at no charge, we'll explain them all to you. We'll tell you how it all works and what it all means. And that's just a free service we offer anybody who needs that. So click on the button and start the process, and you'll have your free credit files really soon. Thanks very much.